it's a interesting, the code versus community thing is interesting, because I mean all the community talks about is the code, but it's critical that you talk about it in the right way, or else you don't get anywhere. So you need to be polite, you need to be respectful, you need to. A lot of this seems to me like common sense, but it isn't always. People get into big arguments that don't treat each other respectfully, and we need to not permit that, because it really is counterproductive. You don't it stops all the progress on the project. The ASF, by using consensus, really mandates politeness, because if you're rude to someone, then they might be rude back to you, and you start doing things out of spite, and that's just not a good way to manage things. We've delayed, sometimes you delay decisions until everyone can really come to terms with and develop something. I mean, there isn't a real rush. You don't have to, if people disagree, you don't have to decide. You don't have to resolve that immediately. You can let it sit there and wait and see. Eventually, hopefully people will see. Well, wait. It's really more important that we compromise, and people will come to terms with that. I don't think overriding people is ever very healthy. I mean, sometimes you have somebody who really just won't, doesn't seem to listen to reason, but that's very rare.